What are we doing here?
Saif, Ibra may have lost his mind.
Why do we have to sit here like this? Like we're being
I
punished?
tell you why you got to sit here like this. Because you need to learn a lesson. Hot 97, what you think, you tough? You think you gangster? Huh? Sitting there talking on the radio with your little job? What you think, I ain't never been tough? What you think, I never had to prove myself, huh? I remember one time when I was growing up, my friends entered me into a DJ contest. And then halfway through, we decided to go rob a liquor store just to see who was really tough and gangster. And then we wound up killing each other. Is that what you want? You running around on rooftops and your friend Tupac is trying to shoot you in the back? Because this here is real!
What? That was definitely the plot to Juice.
Hey, boy, you better close your damn mouth. But when you get to prison, it ain't gonna be no microphone you're gonna be talking to. It'll be 7 dudes lined up in the shower.
What?
And there's gonna be plenty of juice.
Oh my God.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's too much.
Oh. I'm sorry. I'm in the zone.